see. I'm sorry my edges look a mess. I'm in the middle of doing that, but we're back with vlog videos. I'm so excited, y'all. Right now, the kids are playing. The girls are doing their makeup. Santana's taking a nap. Sage is about to take a nap too. I'm in the middle of finishing my makeup up, about to do some content. Subscribe. Cheers. Cheers. You gotta say it.
Cheers.
We just finished content for the girls, and yeah, we just finished doing content for the girls. No, it was actually some spontaneous content. I didn't have it planned. Yeah, and I usually plan content, so it was very spontaneous. But we're about to go on a walk. Tell them about to go on a walk.
We have to go on the walk.
Oh, the teddy bear loves you. Oh, oh. All right, so the girls are eating lunch. Santana's taking a nap. I'm about to feed Sagey Poo. And I told the girls that they're on their best behavior. They get a surprise tonight. Well, all of them, not just the girls, but you know. They're the leaders. They're the big kids, so they gotta lead by example, right?
Mommy, their gumdrop and press the subscribe button.
We gotta do what? Put a gumdrop in what? Oh no, you gotta press the bell button. She said the gumdrop. She's trying to tell y'all to subscribe every chance you get. I love it. I'm here for that energy.
Subscribe and pay the thumbs up.
Yes. Yes. Right, Sagey Poo?
And make sure you be good.
Yeah, make sure you be good.
It's not working.
What's not working?
Not soon. I want a voice.
Oh my goodness, Miss Sassy. And it's all in your hair. What you doing, Bobby? Water slides? I want to see somebody go down the water slide. Somebody go down the water slide. We about to come push you. Wait. I just want to know. How you got Harley Quinn makeup on and a Spider-Man shirt on, girl? You can't be both. See, and you still got your Harley Quinn on, girl.
I still got my Harley Quinn on.
Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. How'd you sleep? Wonderful. We are bringing the kids somewhere today, Sunday fun day. Y'all, please don't judge me, okay? We were supposed to go somewhere yesterday. Y'all seen me in this shirt yesterday. We went on our little walk, but I swear, y'all, I only had it on for a little while. So I'm going to wear it today. Don't judge me. I love it. Star, let me see your legs. So we are getting ready. Y'all, did y'all decide where y'all want to go? Dave and Buster's? Yo, Dave and Buster's, Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese.
I didn't bust it.
One body trap like that.
Wait, what do we need a trap for though?
Like,
She's drawing a trap, y'all.
for your room.
For my room. Oh God, girl, I'm not about to play with Stormy.
So you don't say no going.
Oh, okay. On the Octonaut boat. Deja boo. Remember we were here for your birthday, boo? Yeah, you said yeah. It was so cute. Where you going, Bubby? You wanna go to the other side? Other side? Bobby, we going to the other side. Come on. Okay, y'all, so we came from Chuck E. Cheese about 2 hours ago, hour and a half ago. We're just chilling right now, but we were just chilling, but now we're getting ready. We're about to go get some good old Mexican food from El Paso. You had a good day today? Mm-hmm. You had fun at Chuck E. Cheese? Who bought what?
Yeah.
The vanity thing?
Yeah.
The lady next door gave it to y'all.
So makes my wake up. Wake up.
That's from playing so rough. Y'all be playing so rough.
You'll be bleeding.
What?
And then you'll be bleeding. Chicken.
You about to eat chicken? It good? It good? Look at your sister. She said it's good too.
Full of chips.
Here, the whole spoon of chips.
You want taco? I know my.
Sky. It's good. Look at that, y'all. My skin feels like glass. Literally, like. It feels like a baby's bottom. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned to this vlog. I will have these back up once every week. Well, I'll try and do it multiple times a week once I kind of get back into the swing of things. But yeah, you guys, weekly I will be uploading vlogs. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram at Rachel.Jock. Hey you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to press that bell button so you are aware every time I upload new videos. And yeah, you guys, I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.